Hey, we're following this pursuit here, another pursuit in Southern California. This one initiated by the LAPD, exiting the 710 freeway, exiting the 710 here as we come up in the Monterey Park area. Here's the situation. LAPD Northeast Division saw this vehicle. It's a possible stolen vehicle, and we're getting around so we can see it. It's this white vehicle here you'll see in a second. When they initiated a traffic stop, this vehicle failed to yield. You can see it right there, that white Honda there trying to get in and out of this location. LAPD, CHP right behind. You can see he's probably going to ram that car. He's ramming that car, trying to get around. This is on the 710 freeway northbound, exiting here just south of the 60 freeway. You can see damage already from this vehicle. As a result, there was already one accident, South 5 exiting Dittman. So we're in the Monterey Park area, East LA/border, following this stolen vehicle. High-speed pursuit here.
1080, South 34.
40, show me around. 180, me around. The radio guy. And there's this other
96, blew the light at Baker, continued eastbound.
Eastbound, passing Baker.
Officer 706, go drive, get radio. Officer 71, I'm behind. Yep. Turn around, Fort Smith.
We'll get to that. Here we go. I think we're going to try and do this once again. And if they don't see any movement, there's a flashbang, so they're trying to draw his attention. I think they're going to open the door. I think we can go in just a little bit tighter, maybe, Jamie, now that they're just dragging them out. I don't think it'll escalate into any type of firefight. The suspect is down. The dog is out just in case. They have the suspect in custody. He is going to be cuffed here right now. They're looking to make certain nobody else inside the vehicle. They have to clear that, and it appears that is clear. But, boy, what a dramatic standoff, an incredible one, especially since when the suspect was drug out, it didn't look like he had a gas mask, but yet he was able to still stay inside that vehicle. So we don't know if drugs or alcohol were involved. We don't believe this went to a pursuit, just a failure to yield. But now it is all over. They'll get that suspect some medical attention, obviously going to be in pretty bad shape after the tear gas was shot in there, but it was necessary.
You can, but you'll have to get with the taxi company once you find out who it is and go through that.
Ladies got in your car, cop car.
What? 604 no. I'm rolling this guy 604
Northbound Woodward. Is there a car close? What do you have there?
I'd like to know one across Woodward. I was talking to the gentleman at the bus stop. He got a driver's seat took off. Northbound on Woodward.
Okay, so we have a fully marked 60 stolen, southbound, Woodward from 9 miles.
Hey, we're right in front of Glenwood at the bus stop.
Can you still see the vehicle?
Negative.
On the surface streets near East LA. Yeah, that's what I heard. I heard earlier paper plates, and so we don't know if this vehicle was stolen from a dealership or what the situation was. Again, the only information, the preliminary information we have right now is it a stolen vehicle. and we're going wrong side of the streets here, trying to get the streets here. I think this might be Whittier Boulevard. Very busy here, going through an intersection. You can see now he's going on the north side of the street, so that was Soto Street. Now we're turning northbound. We're near Evergreen Cemetery in that vicinity, and you can see just how fast this vehicle is going. Wrong side of the road, going across that vehicle, going next to that vehicle rather, in East LA jurisdiction. That'd be LA County Sheriffs. We may see them assisting as we come up on an intersection. Just had the green light, fortunately, but you can see how dangerous this pursuit is getting. Haven't been able to get a chance yet to hear how many people are in that vehicle, whether there's more than one occupant, whether it's a male or female, but you can see how fast we're going. I think this is Laurel Street going northbound Monterey passing Laurel. So we're northbound Monterey passing Laurel. I'm familiar with this area here. This looks like we actually are coming into the Monterey Park area. And just look how fast this vehicle is going. CHP trying to catch up, LAPD trying to catch up as well. We have an airship above from Los Angeles Police Department, and you can see how he goes on the wrong side of the road, driving extremely erratically at a high rate of speed, which is why at one point they put this in a tracking mode, and it still might be in a tracking mode. Oh, wow, look at that. Just went right through that red light. So I believe they may still be in a tracking mode in an attempt to hope to have this vehicle slow down. Kathy, he is driving erratically. Look at...
in that whole foot.
The 1050 is coming in Air 941 Bullsboro Drive. 2 vehicles, Toyota Camry versus a Toyota. No injuries.
No. Stuck 10 and Laura Smith, come up on Lower Babel. 96 feet. He got bit.
Negative.
Yeah, well, we'll be down Lower Babel and get in front of him.
10-4. Coming up on Lower Babel now.
What's your speed?
It's going to be 90 on Laura Smith.
I'm Lower Fayette roundabout coming to you. Make a left Babel.
She left the roadway. Going to be westbound. Come on. Go, 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 go.
Let me get ready. We got some vehicle damage.
Well, looks like a black female shortly after all. I see her walk across Woodward. I was talking to the gentleman on my run. I had my back turned. Another gentleman just said, hey, that girl's a being in the car.
this, the way this car is swerving in and out of lanes, no pursuit is worth it. This is just a stolen vehicle. I'm actually waiting for them to cancel this pursuit, which they, in a sense, they did. They put it in a tracking mode, but you see how dangerous this pursuit is. If it's just a stolen vehicle, you have to think about the totality of the circumstances, the exact situation. In fact, ran a red light, there's a county sheriff. Now the county sheriff is going to get involved, maybe not aware that this is a pursuit. So again, now we have LA County Sheriffs, CHP, LAPD trying to get this vehicle. Here we go. Coming up on cross traffic. We have cross traffic. It just blazed right through that light. This is one of these dangerous pursuits where we just need to terminate this pursuit. It's a stolen car. Hopefully this person eventually will pull over without anybody getting hurt. Oh, yeah, right there. Almost had the head on with that blue Volkswagen Bug. CHP may actually not be on. It's on surface streets right now, so LAPD may be primary. But the fact that that sheriff vehicle just saw that vehicle, the stolen vehicle, cross the red light at that rate of speeds probably is the reason why he initiated this. So they're getting more information right now, LA County Sheriffs. This is going to come right underneath us, so we're going to try to maneuver News Dropper 4 so we don't lose this shot here. Vehicle coming right underneath us, so let us just fix this shot. I'm going to throw it back to you while we organize. Help me out, Aldo, please. Getting on the 10 eastbound, Aldo. We're in Alhambra now, in Alhambra, going east on the 10 freeway. I'm trying to look outside my window, just looking here. That's the LAPD airship. East on the 10 freeway, so I'm almost positive that was probably the Atlantic on-ramp to the eastbound 10. That's the stolen vehicle, slowing down substantially. We'll get on the... come on. I'm sorry, guys. Go ahead. I'm trying to coordinate with the pilot. Go ahead, please. Yeah, guys, he exited. It's a male who got out of the vehicle, and he's in this parking lot here. We're gonna try. This is a school right now, so we're trying to get the exact location here. He's running southbound through the high school here, so we're going to try to get an eye on him. But this guy's running through a school. You can see there's children in this area right now. Students are out right now, so definitely a dangerous situation. We have a stolen vehicle suspect now running through this school here, so let's try to find him here and see what LAPD is doing. Yeah, this is Martell High School, if I'm not mistaken. Martell High School. I'm listening to the scanner traffic, trying to find exactly the location of this individual here. So, and I believe they may be taking the suspect into custody on the southwest corner. Aldo, get me on the other side, please. Yeah, they're running on campus. Obviously, I'm following these officers. Once we get around the building, they're making contact with the suspect right now. Suspect is in custody here. You'll see it in a second. But again, looks like school officials may have actually helped. So we'll get around this tree and we'll show you the end of this pursuit where this ended. Crazy pursuit ending at a school, Martell High School here. I think this might be the Alhambra area right off of Hellman Road. Suspect ran onto the school grounds from the freeway, and you can see all the officers right now initiating a code 4. There's a suspect just getting up in the jeans with the orange sleeves. Suspect now in custody here. What a crazy pursuit, dangerous pursuit, ending on the campus of a school here in Alhambra.
Oh, no, no, no!
We have a suspect running. Oh, this is going to be close.
To watch more heart-stopping car chases happening across Southern California, subscribe here. Thanks for watching. The chase is on.
96, I got the radio.
Also, so on vlog, I have my POC.
We're going to be continuing eastbound, speeds 70.
Breaking speed 70.
GSC 131. I'm going to try to put out top 6 on lower Fayetteville here, 1 people. And we're coming up to 154. Steve, I was in high school, just let out a lot of traffic. 10-4, might have right here, 154.
Continuing eastbound for 154. If we continue eastbound, you want to go ahead and let Peachtree City know.
Breaking eastbound, arriving to stand.
Trooper Whittier. I'm turning right on lower Fayetteville now from 124.
We're on lower Fayetteville, trying to set up for Pitt, passing 4269, continuing east, speeds 70s.
4450 on her address, just west there. She stopped up out the window, past Miles Smith. Continuing eastbound, speeds 80. Gonna be passing Meadow Way.
She just got off on 9 Mile. Just got off on 9 Mile.
10-4, exited 75 at 9 Mile. Now, once you stop at the Exxon, hey, 54, you're right primary now? That 14 is a trip.
Quick up for you.
Sounds like we have a crash, 7 mile and circle.
Got her stopped. Gonna be a Fisher. Siren real quick.
Both of them. I got both of them. Hey, unbuckle it.
She's unbuckled. She's unbuckled.
Bring up this side. Hey, cuff her. Cuff her.
Here.
I won't run. No,
I got him. I got him. Hold on, I'm cuffing her. Nope, you going out that way.
Go out that way.
Come on. Hold on.
I put the car in. Is it park? I don't think it's gonna roll anywhere.
Come on. Hey, you got some cocaine right there.
You just put her in mine.
Before we go, we're 95. Now it's 95.
Oh, 143 I'm still around.
No, well, he basically she slowed down to make the turn, and he just pushed her off the road.
I put this in behind your back.
I was 10 4, just coming west there. Look like pavement.
That's probably the grass. That's me on the grass. I probably need. Give me some room.
No down to county vehicle.
Back up.
Emergency, can you hear me inside of the vehicle? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. This is Officer Emergency. Can you hear me? Can I get some help? 7 Mile Road and Double Street in Detroit, Michigan. I'll bring that up now and see with you while I call 911. You are valued on number. Our emergency team is working quickly to assist you. I have my partner Cheryl. I'm going to speak with you while I call 911. I'm here to help you with my partner. What is your name? This is Cheryl with Northside Emergency. I'm going to stay in contact. I'm going to help on the way for you. Hear me? All right.
there. All right. And I'll write down the report number for you. If you want to get a copy of it, you can. But you'll have to get with the taxi company once you find out who it is and go through that. What? 604 girl. A girl just got 6-0 and took off.